Hey guys, Mace98 here, Skate Mace BMX. We're doing a bike review on my Kink 2010. So you got Alienation, black rims, pretty nice rims, haven't bent yet, front and back. The hub's okay, it's not the loudest mission. I got a stolen whip chain, Kink's Vike sprocket 25 tooth, mission cranks, stolen thermalite pedals, Kink seat. I got new brakes installed in orange because my other cord snapped. 7.5 I think rise, Kink mission handlebars, pretty nice. Mission stem, basic, works fine. Just a 2-finger puller, brake lever. Then I got Aaron Ross BMX grips, orange, Kink fork. And all over, pretty nice bike, had it for 2 years now. Yeah, please rate, subscribe, comments on likes and what I could do more. Bye.